Okay, second snowstorm. Today is the, let's see, it is the, where'd it go? Come on. Today's the 1st of November, and we've already got, 1st of December, and we've already got, snowbanks that are in excess of 4 feet high, and got buried again. At least we have power. That's the important side. And our road commission, they come through and made some passes. Our roads normally, normal width of the road is like 20 feet. Well, first time they came through, they only made a path about 8 feet wide. So now every time you meet a car, one side's got to pull off because the road's not wide enough. Now they're out here again trying to widen the roads out. But yeah, 1st of December, and we've already got 4 feet of snow.
Yippee.
So there you have it.